Hi parents, my name is Eden. Welcome to BrightChamps YouTube channel. Do you want to give your child a head start in today's digital world? As parents, we all want to give our children the best opportunities for their future. And in today's world, that means learning how to code. But where do you start? How do you get your child interested and excited about coding? Coding is no longer just for the tech savvy. It's a valuable skill that can open doors to a wide range of career opportunities. Famous entrepreneurs like Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates started coding at a young age, and look where it took them. Your child could be the next tech superstar. The demand for coding skills is on the rise. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of software developers is projected to grow much faster than the average for all occupations. It is estimated to increase by 22% from 2019 to 2029. The increasing reliance on software and technological advancements across various industries drives this growth. But where do you start as a parent? The first step is to get your child interested and excited about coding. One way to do this is by relating it to things they're already interested in. For example, if your child loves video games, explain to them that coding is what makes those games possible. If they're interested in robots, explain to them that coding is what makes robots work. In the movie The Social Network, the story of Facebook's creation, Mark Zuckerberg's character talks about the importance of programming. He says, "You don't even know what the thing is yet, how big it can get, how far it can go. This is no time to take your chips down." That's the kind of attitude we need to encourage in our children. Coding is also a skill that requires practice and dedication, and that's where we come in. Click on the link in the description and book a free demo with our experts today. Moving on, according to a recent study, computer science is one of the fastest growing fields in the job market. By teaching your child to code, you're giving them a valuable skill that can lead to a wide range of career opportunities in the future. But most importantly, coding is a skill that can help children develop important skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity. By working on coding projects, children can learn to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts and develop solutions step by step. These are skills that will serve them well in any career they choose to pursue. So why wait? Start exploring the world of coding with your child today. Give them the tools they need to succeed in the digital world and set them on the path to a bright and promising future. Click on the link in the description and book a free demo with our experts today. Also, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you later.